Here's
I'll
my
stop
audience.
that if you want.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi everyone, my name is Joseph Moore. Fluoride. And when you think of fluoride, you probably think of dentist, mouthwash, toothpaste. But do you ever think about tap water and the water that you consume? Before water reaches your house, it goes through chemicals to help purify it and make it ready for consumption. But can some of these chemicals be more harm than good? Today I want to talk to you about the addition of industrial fluoride into our tap water. Studies have shown that fluoride can cause a variety of illnesses, including fluorosis of the bones and teeth, as well as osteosarcoma, a rare bone cancer, and also lead to lower IQs. Fluoride does help with the prevention of cavities, but we are not supposed to consume this fluoride, and it can go on to cause devastating effects, and I want to show you that we should not drink fluoride. Why do we even put fluoride into the water in the first place? Well, it was first introduced in 1945 in Grand Rapids, Michigan by Dr. Tregley Dean, head of the Dental Hygiene Unit of the National Institute of Health. According to the CDC in 2013, 75% of all U.S. citizens have fluoridated water, opposed to 97% of people in Europe and Japan that do not. The World Health Organization states that the rate of tooth decay is actually lower in countries that do not fluoridate their tap water. Many countries and cities around the world, including Ontario, Canada, have been voting to get rid of this process, and they've already had significant reduce in fluoridation from 43% to 32%. One of the main issues regarding fluoridation in the tap water is it's impossible to regulate how much a person consumes. Currently, the amount of fluoride pumped into the water system is between 0.7 and 1.2 parts per million. When used, only a certain amount of fluoride is useful to the teeth. The rest enters the body and go on to cause devastating effects. Since we also receive fluoride from toothpaste, mouthwash, carbonated drinks, milk, and tea, it's impossible to regulate how much a person consumes on a regular basis, from someone who drinks a lot of water versus someone who doesn't. Also, each glass, a child and an adult consume the same amount. If a person consumes too much fluoride, they're prone to fluorosis. Fluorosis causes joint pain, increased bone density, unusual bone growth, and calcification of blood vessels, as well as pitting and discoloration of your teeth. There was a study in India from a tribal group where the groundwater is high in fluoride. This study concluded, from x-raying the bones, concluded that all the tribal members have fluorosis. This shows that long-term overexposure to fluoride can be problematic and cause health issues that are beyond repair and devastating to your health. There was also a study in 2006 by Harvard that concluded that young males consume water that is at least 0.7 parts per million. That is the lowest fluoride we allow in our water system, are 550% more likely to develop osteosarcoma, a rare bone cancer, than boys that do not. High fluoride levels have also been linked to lower IQs. The United States National Research Committee concluded from a study that children in towns with high fluoride levels scored an average of 8 points lower than children that do not. A common chemical added into the public water supply is industrial grade fluoride. It seems that our water is fluoridated because it helps prevent cavities. But when a person consumes too much of this fluoride, it can be problematic and cause negative health issues that are irreversible, including fluorosis, bone cancer, and even lower IQs. What seemed as a simple fix is now being reconsidered, and further testing needs to happen to ensure the safety and health of its public. I believe we should all drink water that is non-fluoridated, and that is my final thoughts. Thank you.